How to make an Easter egg holder with Cricut. Step 1. Upload your Easter egg holder designs onto the canvas. Step 2. Ungroup the design. Step 3. Press the Shift button and select the two basic cuts of the design. Step 4. Go to Operations and select Score. Step 5. Select the other basic cut and click on Attach. Step 6. Score the base layers of all the designs. Step 7. Open the Color Sync panel. Step 8. Make sure the elements and layers of the designs are set according to the color of the materials. Step 9. Click on Make It. Step 10. Change the material size according to your needs. Step 11. Click on Continue. Step 12. Click on Browse All Material to select your base material. Step 13. Select Pressure. Step 14. Add the cardstock to the cutting mat. Step 15. Load the cutting mat to cut. Step 16. Once the first cut is completed, weed out all the pieces. Step 17. Cut out all the other designs. Step 18. Once cutting is completed, assemble all the pieces. Step 19. Add the egg in the holders. Step 20. Your Easter egg holders are ready. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.